Some work there, but it's okay. It's perfectly fine. All right, so then let's go to our last one and see. We should be able to get everything into this video. All right, we'll get to that other problem tomorrow. So number 10. All right, so it says here, solve the following triangle. So solve the following triangle right here. All right. So this part, I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of things, and there's not a whole lot of work that has to be done on this one, but it's going to be cool. All right, so here we know this is A. This down here is C. It's not, sorry, there you go. So we know we have our triangle. This over here is A because it's labeled. This down here is C because it's across from it. It's not really labeled on there. And we have 10 right here on this side for side B. All right, this is 70 degrees. This is 40 degrees. And remember when they say solve the triangle, that means find every missing piece, everything that's missing. So here, we must find angle B, side A, and side C. And if you do those three things, that means you satisfied everything and we are done. So the first thing is, like we talked about before, because we have two angles, the first thing should always be to find that third angle, because that's the easiest thing to do. So we know here we're going to find B first. Angle B, big B. And we know that A plus B plus C equals 180. 180 degrees. All right, so we put these in. We know A is 40. B we don't know yet, so we're going to find. C is 70. And this should be, hopefully, if you're thinking ahead of time or thinking ahead, you should be able to see like what B is going to be. B is going to be, so 40 plus 70. So 4 plus 7 is 11. And then we just add the 0 there. Plus B equals 180. And again, this should be something that's very simple to see, guys. Hopefully you guys see it already. We subtract 110 from both sides. We get B equals 70. 70. So 70 degrees. Bam. So we get 70 degrees for B. So like, okay, 70. All right. Okay, I see you 70. I see you 70. All right, now, all right, so with our 70 there, what we're going to do is go ahead and finish this bad boy up. Finish it up. Finish him up. All right, so with that, sorry about that. So with that, since we have 70, we know that these two angles are the same. And if you remember back from your math 2 days or whatever, if the angles are the same, that means the two sides should match up. So here, if angle 70 is here, angle B is 70, which is side 10. Angle C is 70. That means C should be side 10. So here, C should be 10, lowercase c, sorry. So since the angles are the same, the sides have to be the same. All right, so we have angle B, angle C now because they match. And then the last part is finding out what is, what do you call it? Side A, sorry. All right, so with side A, because we have two angles in a side, that means we should be using law of sine. So what we're looking for is our A. Put that on the left side. What we have both of is our B. So we have, it's on the right side. And we do have both B's. And we have both C's now, but let's start with B. Just to do it. All right, so here to find angle A. Side A. Find side A, little a. Fill in the values. So this is sine of 40. Little a, we don't know what it is, so it stays little a. Oh, little a. All right. Oh, no. And then we have 10 there. Remember, we cross multiply. So I'm going to start bringing everything across here, guys, when we start working it out. So we're going to cross multiply. that gives us 10 sine 40 equals a sine 70. Right, we're going to get a by itself, so we divide both sides by sine 70. And I hope I'm still recording because I can't see that little number over there anymore. All right, so we do all that. We divide both sides by sine 70, so we got a by itself. And again, we're in degree mode, so you can do this in decimals or in the 84 calculator. I'm going to do this in the 84 calculator because I like the 84 calculator. Decimals works the same way, guys. You guys remember that. All right, so alpha y equals, we're already in degree mode, so we don't have to worry about that part again. So we do 10 sine 40 over sine 70. And we get approximately 6.84. And there we go, guys. It's a lot of work there, but we got it, guys. We got it. Cool. That's all we're looking for. Good job, guys. Good job. All right, now I need to get to the end of it so I can actually stop recording. Oh! All right, so maybe I can find the recorder sometime and maybe close everything out. Maybe it'll show up at the end back here so I can see my recording. All right, yeah. Okay. I will have to cut this part off.